Hello everyone, welcome to Roshi's Kitchen Tales. Firstly, I would just like to start the video by thanking each and every one of you for responding on my Insta quiz. And I have to admit, most of y'all did get it correct, but the actual answer is that today I'm going to be making both the recipes, which is spicy cheese pasta with pizza pasta sauce. So let's get started. Nicely wash 6 medium-sized tomatoes and slit across at the bottom of these tomatoes as shown. Add them in boiling water and let it come to a boil. This process is called blanching the tomatoes. You blanch it until you notice the skin is peeling off. Scoop it off the boiling water and let it cool down a bit. Once these tomatoes have cooled down, you may peel off the skin, and in case you want to de-seed it, this is the right time, or else, like me, just finely chop them. Set this tomato concasse aside to use it later. In a heavy bottom pan, heat 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil and add 1 large-sized finely chopped onions. Just saute it on medium flame, and once it turns translucent, add my secret ingredient, which is 1 tablespoon of homemade Szechuan sauce. Adding Szechuan sauce will not just bring out that garlicky flavor in the sauce, but will give your sauce a beautiful, vibrant red color. And in case you want the recipe of my homemade Szechuan sauce, I'll add the link in the description box below. Now saute this for just about 30 seconds to a minute and then add 2 medium-sized finely chopped or pureed raw tomatoes, not the tomato concasse. Add a teaspoon of salt to aid the cooking process. Cover and cook this for about 1 to 1.5 minutes or until the tomatoes have turned completely soft and mushy. And then goes this lovely tomato concasse, half finely chopped capsicum, 3/4 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Now adding sugar completely depends on the sweetness or the tartness of the tomatoes that you're using. However, I would strongly suggest you to use nice ripe red tomatoes. Now cover this and cook it for exactly 2 minutes or until the sauce thickens. These big bubbles are the sign for the next step. Add half a tablespoon of tomato ketchup. It's always good to check for seasoning in your sauce. I noticed a little less salt in my sauce and hence added some, and then covered and cooked it for another couple of minutes, like 2 minutes or so. Then comes the final step of adding fresh or dried herbs. I couldn't get my hands on fresh ones and hence added 1/4 teaspoon of dried basil and 1/8 teaspoon of dried oregano. Mix that in and your pizza pasta sauce is ready. I'm not really sure how simple or complicated you found it, but if you can manage to take out 15 minutes of your life to prepare this gorgeousness, please do so, and I promise you, you'll never go back to the store-bought pizza pasta sauce again. Cool this down and store it in a dry glass container and keep it refrigerated. It should last for 10 days. Now to prepare spicy cheese pasta out of this sauce, simply add boiled pasta into this prepared sauce, cover and cook so that the flavors seep into it. Cook for about 2 minutes on a low flame and then you're good to go. After cooking this for about 2 minutes, serve it onto a plate, grate some cheese, garnish with oregano and dried red chili flakes, and enjoy your spicy cheese pasta. In case you want me to make a pizza recipe out of this sauce, please do let me know in the comment section below and I shall make it for you. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, please hit the like button, comment and subscribe to my channel. Please also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Roshi's Kitchen Tales. Thank you for all the love.